people, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video I'm going to be talking about my new clip-in hair extensions with Goo Goo Hair. So if you are new here, about a year ago I actually did a video about my clip-in hair extensions because I had very short hair to what it is now. I've had such a hair growth transformation, and I'm here to share with you the tips but also my new hair extensions, because I could not survive without my hair extensions throughout my hair transformation and growth journey. So Goo Goo has really helped me with that struggle stage of identity and not having as long as hair as I would have liked to. My hair was extremely short and it was so hard to style and feel good and live your best hair life, and that is what Goo Goo hair extensions are all about, living your hair goals and dreams. And I'm here to share with you my new hair extensions of them. I'm so happy with how these look, but I'm going to get straight on into today's video, how I fit them, what I've done to help grow my hair and go from jet black to this gorgeous caramel blonde balayage. So if you're interested in all the tips, then please stick around and subscribe for more info about that and more videos from me. Without further ado, I'll show you my hair before and what it is now with these gorgeous extensions in them and how I got these in my hair. I'm going to show you all about that and more about Goo Goo hair extensions and my discount code if you wait until the end. So we have the hair right now where it's at, but quickly let's just throw it back to where it was with my last collaboration with Goo Goo Hair. It was so short, it was like a bob style, it was very orange toned, it was very dark at the roots, and to what it is now I am super happy with the growth. I cannot believe I went through that short phase for such a long period of time. I am just so happy with the colour and the length and how it flows. It is completely different now. So when Goo Goo asked for me to collaborate with them again, I was like, I need a different hairstyle. I need the caramel blonde balayage because my hair is completely different how it was last time, and my last hair extensions with them, which I just have to say, Goo Goo hair extensions are absolutely amazing. The human hair quality is so amazing. They literally give you that power to live your best hair life and have the softness and flow and ease of just clipping them in. But also Goo Goo have so many different things on their website. They have from clip-ins, they have ponytails, clip-ins, they have tape extensions, and also they have wedding hair if you have any bridesmaids coming up, or if you know anyone who's becoming a bride or secretly know, then give them this recommendation of Goo Goo Hair because I have some discount codes for you if they want to have long luscious hair. So we have a more balayage moment here. It's definitely more cooler toned. I love the cooler tones. It is my favourite thing ever, and it has grown so much. So the secret is, guys, is using rosemary oil and using Frizz Eve serum for me, and just taking some supplements, some daily supplements, but mainly the rosemary oil. If you don't know, then get to know. It's the Miel rosemary oil from Superdrug, and also the hair mask, and also avoiding anything that has like sulfates or any harmful chemicals in your shampoo and conditioner. So I'll leave some down below in the description box, like Hair Burst and Maui's a good one, just making sure you're hydrating your hair instead of having a coating on your hair. But what has really helped me in my hair journey and not damage it so much between my hairdresser appointments is wearing hair extensions. So in retrospect of the colour, I'm absolutely obsessed with it, with a few tweaks here and there for summer. I will sometimes want it a bit more lighter, but overall I really love this shade and colour, but we need some help with the length, which Goo Goo here is going to help us out with that. So I just wanted to show you the packaging quickly because I've already taken the hair extensions out to prep them, but this is the Goo Goo packaging which you get your order in. It's bright pink, which I absolutely love. You get your sealed bag with a hairnet in with all your hair inside. I do have this clip from Goo Goo in my last collaboration. That clip is a lifesaver. Some spare hair pieces just in case they break. And then you have your Goo Goo instruction manual. So that all comes inside the packaging itself. I love the bright pink. So here they are. We have here the Caramel Blonde Balayage 22-inch 120-gram Goo Goo hair extensions. As you can see, they've got a really dark root, which is absolutely fine with me. It's a little bit more warmer tone. I'm a little bit more of a cool tone brown right now because I do like a cool toner, but it actually really suits me and I absolutely love this colour. Also, what you can do to blend your hair extensions a little bit more easily is actually tie up the bottom layer of your hair into a plait. So I think I'm just going to apply them as normal. And guys, they have so much hair in here. They have a 1 5-piece, a 2 3-piece, a 2 2-piece and a 2 1-piece if you followed along with that. And I don't even use all of these clip-in hair extensions. I usually leave out a 3-piece depending on how thick I want my hair because my hair is pretty thick. So well, really I should use all of them because my hair is thick and they need to be blended, which I tend to do, but sometimes I just tend to leave out a 3 and that suits my hair perfectly fine. But let's go ahead and put these beautiful hair extensions in my hair and show you how I apply my hair extensions.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know what they.
So here they are with a rough throw in. I'm going to straighten them now with my Molly May hair straighteners, which I've got on 170 to not burn the hair extensions because usually I heat my hair at 220 because it is so thick. Just to give you an overview of my natural hair, that is where we're lying, and then the hair extensions are just sitting here above my hip. So love how nicely blended they are. Of course I could blend this further just by removing the bottom layer of my hair, and I feel like if my hair was this long I would totally have the dark bit in the end because they've added the dark at the end. I think it's absolutely beautiful, but I'm going to go ahead and straighten this out. It's really hard not to touch your hair when you're doing a hair extension video, but yes, it definitely needs a little bit of hair straightening, which I'm going to go do now.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've tried some time and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've realized and I'm dying to tell you.
I'm back with my Rapunzel hair. So this is how I would normally style them because I am a basic girl and I just like having straight hair and it's giving Rapunzel. It's just so easy to put in a ponytail, but I'm gonna definitely put some curls in these one day because they will hold their curl because of the quality of the human hair extensions. It feels like my own. It feels like I'd never want to take this off. I'm living my best life. And of course I have 2 discount codes for you. I have one which is 15% off 1 piece, which is Fiona 15. And if you're buying 2, like I said, because they're wedding hair, or you just wanted to try and experiment different hairstyles, then you can use Fiona 18 for 18% off, which is absolutely amazing. Like I said, they have so many styles and variations on their website, as well as a virtual try-on and the assistant chat. You can find your perfect hair and live your hair dreams, which I am right now. I'm living my Rapunzel moment. So that is everything in today's video. Thank you for tuning in to how I apply my new hair extensions and all my tips in how I grow my hair in 1 year. But thank you so much to Goo Goo Hair for these new extensions. I'll leave all the details for you in the description box as well. I'm so happy with my hair goals right now. It's literally, my vision board has gone tick, and manifesting the rest of the goals for this year. I hope you are too. But thank you so much for sticking around. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye.